Hack number 24, YouTube Partner Program, Requirements and Strategy. YouTube Partner Program is the official path to monetization. It's not optional if you want to make money from YouTube. Understanding what it is, how to qualify, and what happens after approval is critical to your business strategy. In this video, I break down everything you need to know about YouTube Partner Program, from requirements to what comes after approval. Let's start with what YouTube Partner Program actually is. YouTube Partner Program is YouTube's official monetization framework. It allows creators to earn money from ads, YouTube Premium revenue, Super Chat, and other monetization features. Without YouTube Partner Program approval, you can't access any of these revenue streams. YouTube Partner Program is the gatekeeper. You have to get through it to make money. Let's talk about the requirements. YouTube Partner Program has specific minimum requirements you must meet before applying. Requirement 1. 1,000 subscribers. You need minimum 1,000 channel subscribers, not views. Subscribers. Subscribers are committed followers. 1,000 of them shows you have audience foundation. Requirement 2. 4,000 watch hours in last 12 months. Watch hours means total minutes watched across all your videos in the last 12 months, divided by 60. 4,000 watch hours is roughly 67 hours per day needed, or 4,000 hours total spread across a year. That sounds like a lot, but it's achievable with consistent content. Example: you upload 2 videos per week, average 10-minute videos. Over 50 weeks, that's 1,000 videos worth of minutes. 20,000 minutes, that's 333 hours. Not quite 4,000, but you're building. Actually, let me recalculate. 2 videos per week, 10 minutes each, 20 minutes per week. Over 52 weeks, that's 1,040 minutes. That's 17 hours. You'd need significantly more content or longer videos or higher retention. But the point is, 4,000 watch hours is achievable with consistent quality content. Let's talk about the timeline to qualification. How long does it take to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours? Depends on your content quality and growth strategy. Fast growth, 3 to 6 months. You're uploading high-quality content consistently, optimizing thumbnails and titles, building audience fast. Normal growth, 6 to 12 months. You're uploading regularly, improving incrementally, building steadily. Slow growth, 12 to 24 months. You're uploading sporadically, not optimizing much, growing slowly. Most creators, 6 to 12 months is realistic if they follow the hacks in this series. Let's talk about the application process. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you're eligible to apply. How to apply? Open YouTube Studio. Go to Monetization in left sidebar. Click on Start next to YouTube Partner Program. YouTube shows you your eligibility status. If you meet requirements, you can apply. You apply. YouTube reviews your channel. Review process takes 2 to 4 weeks typically. Let's talk about what YouTube reviews during the application. When you apply for YouTube Partner Program, YouTube doesn't just check your numbers. They review your channel content. What they look for: content policies. Does your content violate YouTube guidelines? Hate speech, violence, misinformation, community guidelines? Do you follow YouTube community standards? Copyright? Do you respect intellectual property? Any copyright strikes on your channel? Monetization eligibility. Does your content align with advertiser standards? The review is automated mostly, but human reviewers also check. Let's talk about common rejection reasons. Some channels get rejected on first application. Why? Reason 1, policy violations. Your content violates YouTube policies. Hate speech, violence, explicit content, etc. Fix: review your content. Remove violations. Reapply. Reason 2, copyright strikes. You have copyright claims or strikes on your channel. Fix: resolve copyright issues. Wait for strikes to age. Reapply. Reason 3, low quality or insufficient content. Your channel doesn't have enough videos or quality is too low. Fix: create more content. Improve quality. Wait and reapply. Reason 4, not enough watch hours yet. You're just under 4,000. YouTube wants to see more. Fix: create more content. Build more watch hours. Reapply when ready. Let's talk about what happens after approval. You get approved. You're now part of YouTube Partner Program. What's next? AdSense account required. You need Google AdSense account to receive payments. If you don't have one, YouTube walks you through setup. AdSense account receives all YouTube ad revenue. Payment threshold. You need minimum $100 in earnings before first payout. Once you hit $100, you're eligible for payment. Payments happen monthly around 21st to 26th. Revenue shares. YouTube keeps 45% of ad revenue. You get 55%. This is standard. Negotiate this? No. This is the deal. Let's talk about the monetization features you unlock. Once approved, you get access to several monetization features. Feature 1. AdSense ads. Ads play on your videos. YouTube pays you. Feature 2. YouTube Premium revenue. YouTube Premium members watch your videos. Revenue generated from their membership fee is shared with you. Usually small amount, but passive income. Feature 3. Super Chat and Super Chats. Viewers pay to have their chat message highlighted during live stream. You get 70% of Super Chat revenue. Feature 4. Channel memberships. You can offer paid memberships on your channel. YouTube takes 30%. Feature 5. Merchandise shelf. You can link merchandise store directly on your channel. YouTube doesn't take cut. Your merchandise revenue is yours. Let's talk about AdSense setup specifically. Once YouTube Partner Program approves you, you need AdSense account. AdSense is Google's payment system. It handles all YouTube monetization payments. Setup process. Go to AdSense. Sign in with Google account. Provide business information. Verify your identity. Connect your YouTube channel. Wait for verification, usually instant. Start earning. AdSense handles tax information too. You'll need to provide tax info for payments. Let's talk about payment thresholds and timing. First payment threshold, $100. You need to earn $100 before YouTube processes your first payment. This usually takes several weeks to a few months depending on traffic. Monthly payments. After reaching $100 threshold, payments happen monthly. Payment date. Around 21st to 26th of each month. Payment method. Bank transfer, checks, or wire transfer depending on country. Processing time, 2 to 4 weeks after payment is issued. Let's talk about the content policies you need to follow. YouTube Partner Program has strict content policies. If you violate, you can lose monetization or be removed from program. Policies include no hate speech or hateful content, no violence or graphic content, no misinformation, especially elections, health, COVID, no sexual content or exploitation, no harassment or bullying, no spam or misleading content, no dangerous challenges or stunts. Follow these. They're not just YouTube guidelines, they're your business guidelines. Let's talk about copyright and strikes. Copyright is critical. Violate it and you lose monetization. Copyright strike. Someone claims your video uses their copyrighted content without permission. 1 copyright strike. Channel loses monetization for 2 weeks. 2 copyright strikes. Channel loses monetization for 2 weeks again. 3 copyright strikes. Channel is terminated. Don't violate copyright. Use royalty-free music. Respect intellectual property. Let's talk about monetization appeal process. You apply for YouTube Partner Program. You get rejected. Can you appeal? Yes. You can appeal within 30 days of rejection. How to appeal? Go to YouTube Studio, go to monetization, find the rejection notice, click Appeal, provide explanation of changes made, YouTube reviews again. Process takes 2 to 4 weeks. Let's talk about the monetization roadmap. YouTube Partner Program is step 1, but there's a path beyond it. Step 1, get approved. Step 2, build AdSense revenue target, $500 to $1,000 per month. Step 3, add additional monetization memberships, Super Chat, merchandise. Step 4, diversify beyond YouTube email list, affiliate, courses, sponsorships. Step 5, build owned products, digital products, coaching, community. YouTube Partner Program is foundation, but it's not the only revenue. Let's talk about YouTube Partner Program and taxes. Monetization income is taxable income. You need to report YouTube earnings to tax authorities. You'll receive a Form 1099 from Google if you earn over $600 per year. You need to file taxes on YouTube income. Work with accountant. Understand your tax obligations. Set aside 30% for taxes. Save it. When tax time comes, you're ready. Let's talk about common misconceptions about YouTube Partner Program. Misconception 1. YouTube Partner Program makes you rich overnight. Reality: it takes months to hit $100. Early income is modest. Misconception 2. Once approved, you're set. Reality: you need to keep creating quality content. Stop creating and income drops. Misconception 3. YouTube Partner Program is guaranteed income. Reality: income depends on views, engagement, and advertiser demand. It fluctuates. Misconception 4. You can't be removed. Reality: violate policies and you lose monetization. Let's talk about YouTube Partner Program strategy. How do you maximize YouTube Partner Program earnings? Strategy 1. Focus on watch hours early. Watch hours is harder metric to hit than subscribers. Focus on retention and consistency. Strategy 2. Target high CPM niches. Some niches have higher advertising rates. Business content, finance, tech pay more than gaming or entertainment. Strategy 3. Build audience in high-value countries. US, UK, Canada viewers generate higher CPM than other regions. Strategy 4. Optimize for higher-paying ad formats. Mid-roll ads in middle of video pay more than pre-roll. Aim for longer videos to enable mid-roll. Strategy 5. Diversify revenue beyond AdSense. Don't rely only on ads. Build email list, create affiliates, sell products. Multiple streams reduce risk. Let's talk about realistic YouTube Partner Program earnings. What can you realistically earn from YouTube monetization? Small channel, $1,000 to $3,000 per month from AdSense. Growing channel, $5,000 to $15,000 per month. Established channel, $10,000 to $30,000 per month from AdSense. Large channel, $50,000 to $100,000 plus per month from AdSense. These are estimates based on US audience and business content niche. Your results may vary. Let's talk about YouTube Partner Program and algorithm. Does being in YouTube Partner Program affect algorithm? Myth: YouTube promotes Partner Program members more. Reality: no. Algorithm doesn't favor monetized channels. Truth: algorithm favors content with strong signals like CTR, retention, engagement. Being in Partner Program doesn't change algorithm treatment. What matters? Content quality, audience satisfaction, consistent growth. Let's talk about YouTube Partner Program and future features. YouTube constantly adds monetization features. Keep an eye on YouTube official blog for announcements. New features: Shorts monetization, YouTube Premium revenue share increases, flexible membership pricing, affiliate shopping features. Stay updated. New features equal new revenue opportunities. Here's what you do right now. Step 1. Check your YouTube Studio. See your eligibility status for YouTube Partner Program. Step 2. If not eligible yet, calculate how far away you are. 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. Step 3. If under 1,000 subscribers, focus on subscriber growth. Quality content plus optimization. Step 4. If under 4,000 watch hours, focus on watch time. Longer videos, higher retention, consistency. Step 5. Once eligible, apply immediately. Don't delay. Step 6. While waiting for approval, prepare AdSense account. Have it ready to connect. Step 7. Once approved, set up AdSense. Verify identity. Connect YouTube channel. Step 8. Monitor your earnings. Track AdSense revenue monthly. Step 9. Look for opportunities to increase CPM, long-form content, mid-roll ads, high-value content. Step 10. Diversify beyond AdSense. Email list, affiliates, products. Don't rely only on ads. YouTube Partner Program is your monetization foundation. Get approved, build AdSense revenue, then diversify. Multiple streams equal sustainable business. In hack number 25, we cover content repurposing, how to take one video and create 5 different pieces of content from it. Subscribe so you get it. See you in hack number 25.